Good morning students. Last class we discussed about Bohr's atomic model. So according to Bohr's atomic model, we did calculate the maximum number of electrons present in each cell by using 2n square formula. Here how many maximum number of electrons present in K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell? K cell 2 electrons, L cell 8 electrons, M cell 18 electrons, N cell 32 electrons. Now today we discuss about how are the electrons distributed in different cells of first 20 elements. Our topic is how are electrons distributed in different cells of first 20 elements. What is our topic? How are electrons distributed in different cells of first 20 elements? Now table one by one, check it. First, symbol of element, atomic number, number of electrons, electrons distributed in different cells. K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. First one, symbol of element, hydrogen. Symbol of element is hydrogen. Atomic number 1. Number of electrons, we know that previous class atomic number equal to number of electrons. Here atomic number 1, that's why number of electrons also 1. Here how many electrons is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into the K cell, remaining no electrons. Next, helium. Helium atomic number 2. Number of electrons 2. So here how many electrons is there? The 2 electrons. These 2 electrons enter into the K cell. The maximum number of electrons present in K cell is 2. Remaining 0. Next, symbol of element is lithium. Lithium atomic number 3. Number of electrons also 3. So here how many electrons is there? 3. Out of 3, how many electrons fill in K cell? K cell maximum fill in 2 electrons. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into the L cell, remaining 0. Next, beryllium. Beryllium atomic number 4. Number of electrons 4. So here how many electrons is there? 4. But we know that K cell containing maximum 2 electrons only. So 2 electrons filled. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons enter into the L cell. But we know that L cell maximum containing 8 electrons. Up to 8 electrons filled in L cell only. Remaining 0. Next, boron. Symbol of element is boron. Atomic number 5. Number of electrons 5. So here K cell containing 2 electrons. Remaining how many left is there? 3. These 3 electrons enter the L cell. Remaining 0. Next, boron after carbon. Atomic number 6. Number of electrons 6. So maximum number of electrons from K cell 2 electrons. So out of 6 here 2 completely filled K cell. Remaining how many left is there? 4 electrons. These 4 electrons enter into the L cell. Next, remaining elements also same we can do. Carbon after nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number 7. Number of electrons also 7. So K cell maximum containing how many electrons? 2 electrons. Out of 7, 2 electrons filled K cell. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 5 electrons. These 5 electrons enter into the L cell. Next, nitrogen after oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8. Number of electrons 8. So here K cell containing 2 electrons. So out of 8, 2 electrons filled K cell. Remaining how many left is there? 6 electrons. 6 electrons enter the L cell. Next, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Atomic number 9. Number of electrons 9. These 9 electrons filled in cells. But we know that K cell 2. Remaining how many left is there? 7 electrons. 7 electrons enter into the L cell. Remaining 0. Next, neon. Neon atomic number 10. Number of electrons also 10. These 10 electrons distributed in cells. K cell containing 2 electrons. So out of 10, 2 electrons K cell filled. Remaining how many is there? 8. 8 electrons filled L cell. Next, sodium. Atomic number 11. Number of electrons also 11. So here K cell maximum containing 2 electrons. Remaining how many left is there? 9 electrons. Out of 9 electrons, L cell maximum containing 8 electrons. But we know that previous class, the maximum number of electrons present in L cell, 8 electrons. 2 plus 8, 10 electrons over. How many electrons left is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into the M cell. Maximum 2 electrons, maximum 8 electrons. Remaining electrons enter into the M cell. Next, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. Number of electrons also 12. So here K cell completely filled 2 electrons, 8 electrons. 2 plus 8, 10 electrons. So how many left is there? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons enter into the M cell. So remaining elements also we can check it. Aluminium. Aluminum atomic number is 13. Number of electrons how many? 13. 13 electrons we can fill different cells. K cell containing maximum 2. L cell maximum containing 8. So 2 plus 8, 10 electrons over. How many left is there? 3. These 3 electrons enter into the M cell. N cell is empty. Next, aluminum. Silicon. Silicon atomic number 14. Number of electrons also 14. So these 14 electrons is distributed in different cells. 2, K cell maximum 2, L cell 8. 2 plus 8, 10. So remaining how many left is there? 4 electrons. These 4 electrons enter into the M cell. Next, phosphorus. Atomic number 15. Number of electrons also 15. So these electrons fill in cells. 2, 8. 10 electrons over. How many left is there? 5. These 5 electrons enter into the M cell. Next, sulfur. Atomic number is 16. Number of electrons also 16. 16 electrons filled in cells. 2, 8, 6. Next, sulfur after chlorine. Atomic number 17. Number of electrons 17. First cell containing maximum 2. L cell maximum 8 electrons. So 2 plus 8, 10 electrons over. Remaining how many left is there? 7 electrons. These 7 electrons enter into the M cell. Next, argon. Atomic number 18. Number of electrons also 18. So these 18 electrons fill in cells. 2, 8, 2 plus 8, 10 electrons over. Remaining how many left is there? 8. These 8 electrons. Next, another one. Potassium. Atomic number 19. Number of electrons also 19. These 19 electrons filled in cells. 2, 8, 2 plus 8, 10 electrons over. How many left is there? 9 electrons. But here 9 electrons, but we know that M cell maximum containing 18 electrons, but here can hold 8 electrons only. Remaining electrons enter into the N cell. So here M cell maximum containing 18 electrons, but can hold 8 electrons. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So after how many electrons left is there? 1. This 1 electron enter into the N cell. Next, calcium. Atomic number 20. Number of electrons 20. Electrons filled in different cells. 2, 8, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons enter into the N cell. So this is how are electrons distributed in different cells of first 20 elements. Thank you students. Remaining topic next class we discuss.